Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's create this beautiful orangey look together. So at first I'm going to apply this dark brown color on my eyelid, on my crease line, and I'm going to blend it nicely. Now I'm blending it up and down all together in the same time. Blending should be very good. If the blending should be good, so your eyeshadow will last for your whole day. Now I'm applying this lighter shade of this brown, little light brown, to blend the edges nicely. Make sure your blending should be very good. I'm telling the same thing again and again because if the blending is good, your eye makeup will look nice and smooth. Because I need to create orange on my eye because today I really want to create an orange makeup look. So now I'm going to apply the orange eyeshadow on my eyelid to create a base of orange, so it will look like a orange home kinda. Now I'm going to use the face paint, orange face paint, and I'm going to apply on the eyelid. It's very hard to apply on the eyelid because it's a watery, or so it's melting, but I'm trying to apply the orange, and now I'm going to apply the white to make the design. Now I'm fixing it with the brown eyeshadow to look like it's a same eye look. Now I'm going to apply on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply the mascara, and because they're all over paint on my eyelash, now I'm going to apply my favorite eye pencil inside the eye because I love to apply a white eye pencil inside the eye. You can apply your eyelashes also if you want, but I'm fine with my eyelash. So now it's done. I hope you like it.